Hi, this is Marcia, and this is a bonus video to help you set up differentiated activities for your classroom. Hi everybody, thanks again for joining. This is a bonus video talking about how to use AI prompts. The other 5 videos all showed website applications that are using AI to help support the differentiation process in the classroom. Well, what I'm going to showcase to you now is just using AI prompts in any AI search engine such as ChatGPT to be able to give you resources that you can use in your classroom right away. And it's free. So what I'm going to dive into first is talking about AI prompts. AI prompts are just a way for you to quickly search in an AI search engine. It's an open source engine, which is usually ChatGPT or Gemini or Copilot. Those are all resources that are using OpenAI to be able to search, just like we would do like a Google search right now, all right? But a prompt is a little bit more in detail of what you're looking for. So I have already preset up some free prompts for you to go in and use that are going to align to English language learners. And I have it already set up, so you just click the button that you're looking for something for social studies, and it's going to give you strategies that you can use in your classroom to really enhance the learning for the students. So this one I went in and said it was a social studies lesson, and I'm like, can you give more specific detail for one of the different strategies? And what it did was it came up with like think, pair, share, and role play activities. So using pre-made prompts are really great because it just really helps you to use free resources. So if you go to that link, bit.ly/Kish AI Tools 3, you're going to be given those prompts and you're going to be able to see I already have it all set up ready for you. Here's another social studies example. So I asked it to create some ELO strategies. And then I'm like, can you give me more strategies for the history matchup? And like, sure. It gave me cards and definitions that I can use for an activity in my classroom. Pretty cool, right? So I'm currently inside of ChatGPT. You can use Gemini, you can use Copilot, but currently I'm just using ChatGPT. And I have a prompt that I am going to put into the search box. Now I'm going to read through this. You can read it as well, but I'm going to read through what I did as a prompt so you can see how to set this up. And again, I have these already pre-made for you. You just change out what content you're teaching. I said, design a differentiated lesson for an art class where the students will learn about elements of pottery. Include learning station activities such as a small group lesson, reading about pottery, watching a video, history, and spending time matching different types of pottery. Please put the information into a table. Now, why do I say please? I don't know. I'm just trying to be nice, right? All right. So when I do that, ChatGPT is going to go in and create example lessons for me that I can use that are differentiated. And it's going to put it in a nice chart for me to look at. I can copy and paste this and then use some of those strategies in my classroom when I'm teaching that lesson on pottery. Okay. So now it's gone in and it's prepared a differentiated lesson plan for me. So it has my small group. It even tells me what materials that I would be using and gives me some differentiated strategies. Now, do you see how it says I can download this? I can download it right into a table so I can go ahead and use it. But I'm just going to showcase that it has an independent reading activity, it has a video, and it even actually has like what I could do to help with differentiation, which is in closed captions. And then matching activity. Well, if I want some more information about that matching activity, so what I can do is I'm going to say, copy that over, and I'm going to say, provide examples. So anytime that you're doing this inside of an open source search engine, you can go in and they will have those resources available for you. So just keep diving deeper into it. Use the resources they provide or just continue to deepen the search. Prompts are a really good way to use free resources that you do not have to spend a lot of time nor money looking for. Prompts are just a new way to do the old-fashioned Google search.